Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import product to Shopify from any website, right? So it's very easy. You have to just follow my instruction. So we are into our Shopify store, right? Here you can see there is a search bar. So here you have to search Robo, right? Once you search Robo and just hit the enter, it will take you to the Shopify app store, right? So here, if it doesn't, then you can just do one thing. You can just if it doesn't show you the app store here, you can just click and it will show you drop down. Now just go to the apps, right? And here you can search Robo, right? So once you click it, you will see here that this is basically I've opened a new page which is basically Shopify app store, right? So once you are here, you can see I've already searched Robo and you will get this recommendation. For example, if you want to import product from AliExpress, there is a different app, right? So this tutorial is only for to import product from any website to your Shopify store, right? So once you're here, now here you can see this is Robo product importer, right? So just click on this and it will show you like this. Now click on install. Once you click on the install, it will load for a few seconds, right? And it will give you a dashboard which will get installed to your Shopify, right? Shopify store. So once we are here, you can see basically on the top right, you will see this option of install app. So just click on install app. Right now here, once you click on install app, it will show you this interface and the step one, install our free Chrome extension, right? So for example, make sure you just open your Shopify store in Chrome extension because it will work there perfectly fine. So we have to install this extension. It will take a very few seconds and after that our problem is sorted, right? Once I click on install, it will ask me to add extension. I will click on add extension and here on the top right, you will see this extension icon, right? And I will just pin this. Once I pin this, it will show it here. And if I click here, right, it will show me to add to Shopify. So let's say that I want to go to Amazon. Okay, it's not opening. Let me enter the proper one, right? So we will just go to the Amazon and we will try to import a product from Amazon directly to our Shopify store, right? So here, let's say I will just select a watch, okay? And here I'll select this one. So for example, let's take this one, right? And I will open this product. Okay, once the product page is open of any website, just go to the Robo and click on add to Shopify, right? Once you click on add to Shopify, it will take a very few seconds and it will open a new dashboard, I mean a new page. Here you can see product page link. You can just click and import to here. If you just paste the product link, for example, let me show you. If I just go to a new product here, right? Okay, let me show you. Let's go to a new product. I will just copy this URL link and I will just go here, and if I just paste it, right, and if I click on import, it will say fetching data. It will take a very few minutes, and of course you have to wait for it, and after that you can see that it got changed, right? So it's very easy. For example, it's just taking a few seconds, so you can just wait for it, right? And here it says could not fetch data. Sometimes it doesn't work accurately. You can see with constantly changing e-commerce sites, the product data import might not be accurate. So the best option is you can just go to the page, just click here and click on add to Shopify, right? And it will open a new page in a few seconds. And after that, it will add a product to your Shopify store. You can say this time it added perfectly fine. Now you can just you can just change the information according to your requirement. You can just go to description. So it doesn't look like that you have copied that, right? And you can just add more images, or you can just click on import, and once you go to the last option import, click on add product to Shopify. Once you click on add product to Shopify, it will ask you to just wait for a few seconds, and here it says product imported successfully. Now we can just view it. For example, if I just click on view, let me show you how it's look, right? So of course I didn't made my store, that's why it's not opening. Otherwise it could have opened. So it's very easy to do it, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.